Possible causes and fixes. 1. Key fob battery dead. 2. Blown fuse, common in BMW E90 series. 3. Faulty door lock actuator. 4. Weak car battery. 5. Faulty CAS module or FRM module. 6. Wiring issues or broken wires in the door loom. We present you a new video. Central locking no longer works. Why? Having 6 possible faults, and eliminating first 5, we arrive at problems with the wiring. As you can see, the car does not respond to the commands on the key. The arrows indicate areas where problems may occur. I'll just open the tailgate window to check if that's the problem. We check each wire to see if it is broken by gently pulling on it. I found 2 broken wires, one blue and one red. I will remove the rear right side trim to access the wires. I will extend the wires beyond the attachment area to avoid the risk of them breaking again. To extend the electrical wires, I will use wires of the same color. To have good contact, I will solder the wires. I will use heat shrink tubing to insulate the solder. I will do the same for the blue wire. I will also insulate this wire with heat shrink tubing. I will pass the new wires through the rubber protection, using a wire previously inserted through it. I'll use a lighter to strip the wires. I will solder and insulate the wires the same as on the bottom. A sign that these wires are close to breaking can also be poor reception quality of audio stations. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. In order, do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.